Hi guys, today I'll show you how to fix the missing call history issue on iPhone. Sometimes this happens after an iOS update, a network glitch, or a sync-in problem with iCloud. Your calls are actually being made and received, but they don't appear in the recent call log, which can be confusing. The good news is there are several ways to fix this problem and restore your call history. Let's go through them step by step. The first method is turning off silence unknown callers. This simple setting change has fixed the issue for many users, especially after recent iOS updates. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Phone. Now tap Call Filtering and Silence. Turn off Silence Unknown Callers. After that, restart your iPhone and check if your call history appears again. The second method is force restarting your iPhone. Minor software glitches can sometimes hide call logs, and a force restart can refresh the system. If you're using iPhone 8 or later, do this. Press volume up and release, press volume down and release, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, check the Recent tab again. The third method is resetting network settings. Many users reported that calls were working normally, but the logs were not appearing because of network related issues. Open Settings, tap General, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Your iPhone will restart and you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi. After that, check your call history again. The fourth method is refreshing iCloud call syncing. Sometimes iOS updates can disrupt the syncing of call logs across devices. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID profile at the top. Go to iCloud, scroll down and tap Phone. Turn off Show in Recents. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it on again. This refreshes the call history sync and may restore missing logs. The fifth method is checking for a software update. Some iOS versions had bugs that caused call history to disappear. Apple has fixed many of these issues in later updates. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. After updating, check if the call logs appear again. The sixth method is checking your date and time settings. Incorrect time zones can sometimes cause call logs to appear incorrectly. Open Settings, go to General, tap Date and Time. Enable Set Automatically. This ensures your call records appear in the correct order. The seventh method is refreshing your network connection. A quick network refresh can sometimes fix temporary glitches. Open Control Center, turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. Now check if your call history appears. The eighth method is freeing up storage space. If your iPhone storage is almost full, the system may fail to save new call logs. Open Settings, tap General, go to iPhone Storage. Delete unnecessary apps, videos or photos to free space. Then check the recent call log again. The ninth method is checking calls on other devices. If you use multiple Apple devices like an iPad or Mac, call syncing may affect your call history. Open Settings, tap Phone, select Calls on Other Devices. Make sure the toggle is enabled for your devices. If none of these methods work, there are two final options. First, you can restore your iPhone from a previous iCloud backup. This often fixes the issue if the problem started after an update. To do this, go to Settings, General, and then transfer or reset iPhone and erase all content and settings. After the reset, restore from a backup created before the call history disappeared. Keep in mind, this will replace your current data with the backup data. You can also contact your mobile carrier. Most carriers keep call records for up to 90 days, so you can still view your call history through your carrier account if needed. Quick recap. If your iPhone call history is missing, you can try these fixes. Turn off silence unknown callers, force restart your iPhone, reset network settings, refresh iCloud call syncing, update your iOS software, check date and time settings, toggle airplane mode, free up storage space, check calls on other devices. These steps usually restore the call history on iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if your call history is still missing, tell me your iPhone model and iOS version in the comments and I'll try to help you fix it.